Orioles have had 7 father-son combinations since 1954. Don Buford was a part of 3 World Series teams in 69, 70, and 71. Son Damon played for the Orioles for 3 seasons in the mid-90s. Everyone remembers Dave Johnson pitching for the Orioles in the late 80s and early 90s. Son Steve helped the Orioles make the playoffs in 2012. Bob Kennedy played for the Orioles their first 2 seasons in Baltimore. Terry Kennedy was the Orioles catcher in the late 80s. Dave May was a part of the Orioles 69 and 70 World Series teams. Son Derek was with the Orioles briefly in 1999. John O'Donohue and his son also played for the Orioles, both as left-handed pitchers. And Tim Raines and Tim Raines Jr. also were a part of the Orioles father-son combination. We find out now that Dwight Smith and Dwight Smith Jr. are the 7th. Now, Dwight Smith Jr. was drafted by the Toronto Blue Jays in 2011 as a supplemental first-round pick. Smith was a 53rd overall pick in the draft. Smith was with Toronto during the 17 and 18 seasons, playing just 47 games, but hitting .293 with a .365 on-base percentage. Smith is in his first 3 Orioles games has gone 5 for 11 with a double, 2 RBIs, 2 runs scored, and a stolen base.